Lesson 56.
Repeat.
Sports. Team.
Questions.
Do all people hate watching sports? Do all people hate watching sports? No, not all people hate watching sports. Some do and some don't. Do we need a team in order to play soccer? Do we need a team in order to play soccer? Yes, we need a team in order to play soccer. If I say that my sports team is at the top, does that mean they're doing well? If I say that my sports team is at the top, does that mean they're doing well? Yes, if you say that your sports team is at the top, it means they're doing well.
Repeat.
Quality. Easily. With ease.
Explanation.
Easily and with ease mean the same. I can say, I speak English easily, or I speak English with ease. Both mean that it's easy for me to speak English.
Questions.
If an object breaks easily, is it of good quality? If an object breaks easily, is it of good quality? No, if an object breaks easily, it isn't of good quality, it's of bad quality. Do you speak English now with more ease than before? Do you speak English now with more ease than before? Yes, I speak English now with more ease than before. Does easily mean with ease? Does easily mean with ease? Yes, easily means with ease.
Repeat.
Boring. Exciting. Interesting.
Explanation.
Exciting and interesting are very similar. Exciting means positive and very interesting.
Questions.
Is exciting very similar to interesting? Is exciting very similar to interesting? Yes, exciting is very similar to interesting. If something is not exciting, what is it? If something is not exciting, what is it? If something is not exciting, it's boring. If something is not boring, is it interesting? If something is not boring, is it interesting? Yes, if something is not boring, it's interesting.
Repeat.
Bored. Excited.
Explanation.
When you are doing something boring, you feel bored. When you are doing something exciting, you feel excited.
Questions.
If you read a boring book, will you be excited? If you read a boring book, will you be excited? No, if I read a boring book, I won't be excited. I'll be bored. If you talk to an exciting person, will you be bored? If you talk to an exciting person, will you be bored? No, if I talk to an exciting person, I won't be bored. I'll be excited.
Repeat.
For instance. Latin. E.g.
Explanation.
For instance means the same as the words for example. It is used in either speaking or writing, but when we write, we can also use the letters e.g. to give an example. E.g. comes from the Latin expression exempli gratia. We use e.g. just for writing, not for speaking.
Questions.
Do we use e.g. for giving examples when speaking or writing? Do we use e.g. for giving examples when speaking or writing? We use e.g. for giving examples when writing. Instead of for example, can we use for instance? Instead of for example, can we use for instance? Yes, instead of for example, we can use for instance.
Repeat.
Fashion. Style. Modern. Old-fashioned.
Questions.
If you love history, will you prefer modern or old-fashioned buildings? If you love history, will you prefer modern or old-fashioned buildings? If I love history, I'll prefer old-fashioned buildings. Do older people usually like the fashion style of younger people? Do older people usually like the fashion style of younger people? No, older people usually don't like the fashion style of younger people. What's the opposite of modern? What's the opposite of modern? The opposite of modern is old-fashioned.
Repeat.
Arm.
Questions.
What's this? What's this? It's an arm. Is that her arm or your arm? Is that her arm or your arm? That's her arm.
Repeat.
Elegant. Tacky. Match. Jacket.
Explanation.
If you wear a black jacket and black pants, they match. In other words, they look good together. But if you wear each item of clothing a different colour and style, they don't match. When they don't match or look bad, we say it's tacky.
Questions.
Is this style elegant? Is this style elegant? Yes, this style is elegant. Do those clothes match? Do those clothes match? Yes, those clothes match. Do those clothes match? Do those clothes match? No, those clothes don't match. Is this elegant? Is this elegant? No, this isn't elegant. It's tacky.
Repeat.
Pale. Colourful. Funeral.
Questions.
Do most people wear pale clothes in the summer? Do most people wear pale clothes in the summer? No, most people don't wear pale clothes in the summer. They wear colourful clothes in the summer. If someone has a very pale face, are they probably sick? If someone has a very pale face, are they probably sick? Yes, if someone has a very pale face, they're probably sick. Would you consider wearing colourful clothes at a funeral? Would you consider wearing colourful clothes at a funeral? No, I wouldn't consider wearing colourful clothes at a funeral.